Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to factory reset Gloria A50 smartphone. Okay, let's get started. Hold down power and volume down buttons together. Please subscribe, like, and tap the bell icon. When the display logo appears, release your finger from the power button and keep pressing the volume down button until the no command screen appears, then release your finger from the volume down button. Now press the power and volume up buttons at the same time. Once the recovery mode or screen appears, use the volume up and down buttons to scroll up and down and power button to select recovery options. So now we're going to look for the option, wipe data or factory reset. Here it is. Okay, let's press the power button to select wipe data or factory reset. Wipe data warning message will appear from the command screen. Press the volume down button and press power button to select. Okay, factory reset successful. Now press power button to reboot the device. Device is booting. Wait, setup screen will appear. Almost there. Yep, done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.